cousin over here. We picked him up. I didn't even get to do intro. I didn't even know he was recording already.
So you gotta jump in. You gotta jump in.
Oh yeah.
We're out here in Mexico. We're gonna do a couple pulls for y'all. You know.
This is gonna be the fun video, bro. All the POV that everybody wants to see. Just their straight up pulls and reactions.
Yeah. Be blessed because niggas can't have the music on. You know, shit hit different with the music on. That's when shit get real hectic. Alright, so you know, just give us a few, you know, we about to hit Mexico streets.
That's what we should ask them. If anybody wants to send me some videos, like music clips or videos that I could use so I could play music while doing pulls and stuff, that'd be dope. Hit me up, bro.
No copyright, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like no copyright.
Don't send y'all music then try to sue.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Talking about y'all got my mixtape, then your shit blow up. Now you want us to take that shit down?
Yeah.
Shit don't work like that.
I'm just trying to get my bread, bro. That's what they're gonna say. I'm just trying to get my bread.
If any pass the street in Mexico, don't be a dumbass and stop at this shit till it turns green. It says stop and then proceed when it's red. Mexico. We'll get through it.
It's always a Civic, bro. All day today I've been trying to do pulls in the Civic. It's freaking cocky.
Remember, yo, we in Mexico.
No, yeah, of course. This is only in Mexico. We can't do this in the States. Never do this in the States. Never.
No, stay safe. Stay within your realm. Don't think you Fast and the Furious because you get your first fast car, end up on the side of the road.
Flip over.
Yeah, it's like if you don't feel comfortable driving a certain way, don't do that shit for the adrenaline rush. Nigga, people's life is at stake.
And keep it safe, because I could have cut this guy off, but I didn't want to. It's not enough space.
Feel me? Be smart.
You don't want, because you don't know how somebody else is gonna react. You two cut them off, and they probably.
No cap, I seen that shit.
Hit the wall.
Yo, some dude.
They over exaggerate, bro.
Some dude in I think it was a Dodge Durango. Nigga cut off this little Chinese girl, bro. She smacked into the barrier. And then she was scared as hell driving. I was scared to pass her. I was like, she might hit me. Nah, but he did wild out. She was scared for her life. I was clapped too. I was coming from my mom's house.
Chilling. I'm gonna record our reactions too. When we do a pool next,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to wait here for the light to turn green, so we're gonna pause the video. Then we keep going.
Yeah, I didn't get his name. He just came by the door, grabbed it, and just said he had to go. Okay. All right. Yeah, he had some bullshit incident here. So I'm like, bro, the man just short.
If somebody was not being told, right? I think what happened?
Oh, about the guy from earlier?
Yeah.
Basically,
I have an old conversation, bro.
and what happened is this guy's like, they'll contact him. He called like the ID office in the morning, or guy contact him and so on.
The ID
Call me back, bro.
the one over.
Chill.
Hey, I tried to get somebody to race for you guys, but I couldn't. He ain't gonna be back till like 12:15 probably, bro. And he don't have his car. They know who he is though. I have a video of Dante. Oh, I forgot he crashed his car, bro. I completely forgot. He rear-ended somebody.
I mean, stay within your limits, fellas.
I forgot, bro.
Stay within your limits.
His car fast as fuck, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Chill. Accidents do happen.
I don't know. I think he was getting so.
Oh.
Stop! Oh, shit.
Oh, Cadillac don't want it.
You said what?
Cadillac don't want it.
Hold on, next to the Cadillac seat.
That big bitch move. It's a nice little red.
It's nice though, look at that.
Yeah, that red looks
Red?
crazy.
Huh? Huh? Flashing lights at you?
No, I don't think so. Like, he keeps slowing down. You don't want it.
Yo, there's a Cadillac. I forgot which one is it. They got a supercharger. They got like the Hellcat engine in it. That shit got far. Imagine having a big ass, like Escalade size car, right? Truck, whatever you want to call it. And then having a freaking over 700 something horsepower on that. Chill. Bruh. That's gotta be crazy.
Bro, I think I've seen a video of them. Bitches.
Yo, but you can imagine getting picked up by an Uber and that. And the dudes, and you like, just people that like regular cars, and then he does a pull on that shit. Like, ah!
Nah, bro,
You know, people ain't used to that.
I seen niggas do pulls in that shit, bro. That bitch be getting low.
Shit.
I try to make low.
This might.
Yeah. I hope y'all heard how nice this shit sound.
Said what?
I'm talking about they can hear how nice this bitch sound.
I don't know, man. I think the air is probably messing it up. Might have to close the window. That's all. Don't leave the windows open. Because in the video you hear. I gotta get like the mic, the external mic.
It's dark as hell over here.
Yo,
What the fuck?
We got Christmas ornaments, bro. Santa Claus is about to come pop off. Get some gifts. I need an upgraded turbo. What's up, Santa?
Man, they love Christmas out here in Mexico, bro.
Oh yeah, Mexico. Santa Claus. Thank you. Bro, it's like we're in PA, bro. We got to PA without even knowing.
Say, what we doing out here?
I don't even know where we at. We're talking to the phone. Going like 100. Got to pay it like 2 seconds. Yo, we literally drove 12 miles, bro, without even noticing, bro. That's crazy, bro. And we weren't even going fast, bro. We didn't pull out the end for like 2 seconds.
That was 12 miles of just trying to get pulls for y'all. We did all this just to get pulls.
For them, bro.
For y'all, come on.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all like. Share this motherfucking video. I mean, share this video. Bang.
This guy's scared in front, bro. He look like he's scared, dog. It's like, it's too dark, man. What if Michael Myers steals my car?
Nah, bro. I seen a video where it was like some shit like that. Like, sure, he was in the street stabbing herself. Like, look back, the niggas backed up their car. I'm like, hell no, they ran straight through that bitch.
Yo, hell yeah, that's facts, bro.
Crazy as hell.
I ain't stopping for nobody.
What, dude? This guy. Let me try to race. That's what it is.
That pool feels insane. Trying to see if we run into somebody, bro. Tell something fun.
Trying to find some trouble tonight, man. Come on. We run into a clapped out Honda.
Chill,
that Gap.
man. 600 horsepower and that shit. Flying.
Nah, I be seeing them. Yo, niggas be having student driver on the beat down ass Hondas.
Yo, I'm not even on my fast tune no more, bro. I was on my E30 tune. Yo, this nigga got no lights on, bro. Look at this guy.
Wildin'. Look at that. He put a little thing on the back.
Bro, he got a little rack, bro. No lights on.
Hey yo. Yeah, way in. God bless. Stay safe in Mexico, guys.
What was that? 161?
That was like, I think it was 163.
Oh, man.
If I'm not mistaken.
That was hot.
Guys, I literally don't understand why people hate on the Supra.
That shit moves, bro. I'm on 93 too, bro. It's just a downpipe. That's all. This car got downpipe 93 too. Imagine like intake, all the supporting mods, but a custom tune, bro. This shit would be like 500 and something horsepower, like 520 horsepower. Right now I'm only making like 420, bro.
I'm telling y'all, man. Listen, I used to be a hater, bro. I'm telling you, I just gotta get inside one and see it in person.
You used to hate this?
Yeah, I used to hate this car.
Bro?
I swear. I used to think it looked ugly, but that was before I seen it in person. Like, just looking at it through pictures, I didn't like it. Like, I was just like, yo, damn, that shit looks mad weird. But it grew.
Me? I didn't hate it. In pictures, I'm like, yo, why does it look so compact? It looked weird in pictures, but I still liked it. I was like, it's still kind of dope. And then when I saw it in person, I was like, yeah, I need me one of those, bro.
Like, yeah, after I seen the car in person, bro, like, my opinion changed. And then rode inside this bitch, definitely changed. I was like, word, what the fuck?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't
Tesla right here. He said, chill, go friendly, Bob. Yo guys, can I just say something to y'all real quick? If y'all honestly think electric cars are more environmentally friendly for the economy, y'all are retarded. Like, go look at how much pollution it costs to make those batteries that go in those cars. Like, can we please, like, if you want an electric car, just say you want an electric car, whatever. But don't say it's for the environment.
It's killing the environment building.
No cap. And then this whole I'm not even getting into a big brain. Let's just do some pulls, guys.
People are like, oh, we don't want to hear you talk about no Tesla, bro. I'm trying to see the car pull, bro.
Oh my god, it smells out here, bro. The smell should come to the car. It smells like ass.
I won't be flying